Hey everybody, Bill Panoff here with Porthole Cruise and Travel. We're here at American Queen Voyages corporate office for the opening party, and it was a celebration like all celebrations. All the dignitaries were here from the surrounding area. The mayor was here, and I'm here with David Giersdorf, the acting CEO. David, how are you?
Oh, I'm terrific. It's been, wow, what a night. We've moved our headquarters as a company to Fort Lauderdale, Broward County, epicenter of the global cruise industry. We've been welcomed this evening like never imagined. Mayor Udine, so many members of the Fort Lauderdale Alliance. We've had great support, great welcoming, and so many companies here from our travel industry sector and beyond have turned out tonight to make us feel especially welcome to this great community. It's a great night. I'm doing really well.
The history of the company is very deep rooted. You know, the stern wheelers on the river. I mean, there's a lot that people don't know about that experience.
Yeah. Listen, paddle wheel cruising, slow tourism, right? The real thing. Yep. Being connected to the river, the rhythms of the river. What lies around the bend, the new discoveries in culture, in music, in history. The Mississippi, just one of our immersive destinations, is never fails to deliver a new experience, a new understanding, new friendships. The way we do it, the style in which we do it is unmatched, and we're very successful at it.
And the connection with the guests and the river and the ship is phenomenal. But the connection with the locals and the ships, and when the ship arrives or the boat arrives in these small little towns, people come out to greet the boat. It's like a ceremony, and that is like passed on from generation to generation. It's really remarkable to see that.
This goes far back in time. The arrival of the steamboats and the river boats and the paddle wheelers into the community was an event.
Sure.
And it still is. As we arrive and our guests experience that arrival event, and they experience it on departure. The new friends and fond farewells. Hope to see you again sometime soon. Yeah.
Tell us about the Ocean Victory and the introduction into Alaska.
Well, this year we introduced what we call a new Alaska. A brand new ship, the Ocean Victory, an amazing full-on expedition ship, 186 guests, 20 Zodiacs, kayaks, an expedition team of experts from all over the world, and from glaciology to oceanology, the whales. You know, we put over sound microphones to hear the whales as they talk underwater. We have lectures every night, learn something new. Cultural experiences, the First Nations and original inhabitants and their stories and history and legends. We designed a trip that immerses people because of the size of our ship and because of our passion for discovery.
Sure.
That immerses people into an Alaska, even if they've been to Alaska before, that they've never experienced. And you know, 1.3 million people will travel to Alaska each year, Bill. Only 2,500 can experience it this way, in the way that we deliver it. This will be a standing room only, one day invitation only experience. What a great success we've had just in our first season.
This is Alaska with the greatest authenticity. And another thing, because of the size of the vessel, you're going to ports that some of the larger vessels are not able to navigate to, which is phenomenal.
That's true. From cultural communities like Cake to small historic communities, Wrangell and Petersburg. We actually cruise between Vancouver, British Columbia and Sitka.
Sure.
What a unique thing to turn in Sitka, to end our cruise or start our cruise in Sitka, the Russian-American capital at one time.
Sure.
And the heritage there is absolutely amazing, the nature and the beauty there with Mount Edgecombe right on the horizon. Spectacular place. We're doing it right. I spent a lot of time as a youth. I was born in Alaska, traveling and on small ships and working in the fishing industry in southeastern Alaska. So this itinerary has been designed it's like the cook's tour.
Right,
It's
right.
the inside view of the inside passage.
Right.
And that was the desire to curate something so special, so unique. And we
What-
did that.
What's the future of the company and future itineraries that you can share with
Yeah.
us?
Okay, well, we continue to innovate with our cruise itineraries, but also ashore.
Sure.
Okay, so we provide this integrated experience that says, we celebrate being on the water and arriving by water in these sometimes very inaccessible places and small communities, but we also celebrate going ashore and meeting the people and seeing the sights and learning what's to be learned and contributing something along the way. So you'll see more from us in terms of innovation around special itineraries. You'll see more from us in extending off the ship ashore. We have a great, unbelievable program of included shore excursions everywhere we go, premium excursions to extend. I mean, our Alaska vessels, you can go on the Rocky Mountaineer before or after.
Oh, wow.
As an example,
Wow.
there's
Fantastic.
any way that we can make it possible for the guests to go further, go deeper, and have a more enriched and personalized experience.
David Giersdorf, it's a real pleasure, and congratulations on the opening of the office here and continued success and growth with the cruise line. I'm Bill Panoff, and you're watching Porthole Cruise and Travel.